Sorry. Oh, boys, what's up? My name is Julian. Today we're back with another video. Another Roblox video. Sorry, we're playing Zombie Tsunami. Boom. I got a long. Dang it, no, 4. Dang it, 4. Got 2 zombos. No, I got 3 zombos. I want that balloon. Give me it. No. No, I only have 1. Numb. No, come on. No, come on. Shaboom. Dang. Orange balloon. No. Dang it. I lost my friend. Dragon. Numb. Hi, Numb. Oh, no. I didn't know I was supposed to do anything about that. The beach. Hello, we got the meat. Okay. No one has avoided 3 balls. And I hope it is good. Oh, it has an X button. Sorry, y'all. Play again. We need to do it for realsies. Help. You say help, I say schmelp. Come on. No. My friends. Do I have 1 zombie now? 8, no. I could have got 3 more. Get over here. You look like Darla. No. No, honey. No, come on. Don't you dare. I want to go faster. Oh, wait. What is my background now? Hi guys, what's my background? She doesn't think about me, but I think about her. How about we play some Animal Crossing? Oh, hurry. Whenever it's what? No. I did it correct. Oh, my blossom tree is blooming. Yes, I could trap them birds. Wait, isn't there an eagle? No, stop. Let me out. I do not care. Stop. Oh, what's this? Okay, whose side am I at? Oh, you can't. But I want to go back to my campsite. I'd rather be at your campsite than at home reading. Now that's saying something. Let's go. Okay. Fashion the phone. I do not care. Who look who wants you. Well, I don't want you, bish. Okay. Try crafting. I want some clothing. Not shut up. I want them emo clothes. No, I got no money. I ain't trying to be funny today. Dang. Where's the hair? Hey? I'm sorry. Okay, face accessories, face accessories. Oh wait, I got a mask. But where the freaking heck is... Okay, I don't see it, so I'm just gonna... Look, I want to. I don't want you, bitch. Let's go to friendship corner. Wait, where's my friendship corner? Excuse me, sir. Will you give back my friendship seat? Mwah. I want to talk to you. Well, I don't. Let's go find that bunny. Whoa, who are you? Well, well, you must stumble across my little garden plot area than I expected. Would you mind coming back when you reach level 3? I'll surely be ready for you by then. Dang, I need to be level 3? Level 3, bish? Huh, bish? Huh, bish? Huh, bish? Okay, no. Okay, you, because you'll give me money. You'll give me freaking money so I can buy my freaking clothes. My name is Frisky. Hi, howdy. I love you. Oh, wait, no, I know it. Here, take this. I am not a fan. Sorry, guys. But post a video if you want it. Like, seriously. I'm going fishing. Hi. Grab. No, frick. There he is. Hi. Yes. What did I get? Got killfish. No, I want coral. I want them coral. Catch a fish. Let's do it. Am I only gonna get 3 fish? Because I only said 3 fish. Ooh. Pear club, current carp, black bass. Black bass. Okay. Oh my god. You look so emo. I love you. I love you. Mwah. Oh my god. I want to make friends. Yes. You're an emo girl. You're an emo girl in an emo world. Yay. Hi. Can I talk to you? You just met up with Lavender. What would you to do? Visit campsite. I want to visit your campsite, bitch. I want to see what goods you have for me. Where's the freaking bunny? Oh, yay, wait, is he right here? Yay. Oh my god. Look what he has. He got them dogs. That dog want to speak to me? I kind of want to go inside his camper. Okay, what? Pick up. Can I, like... Alright. No, stop. Get out of camera mode, bitch. I want to, like, go by my friend Lavender. Okay, stand. Nope, okay, stand. Nope, shit. There we go, yes. I want a closer picture, yay. Your friends. How do I snap this picture? Look at us, we're best friends. We're best friends. How do I snap a freaking picture with you, Bush? Who cares? Yes, I wanna go here. No, let me in, Bish. You don't let me in, I will kill you, Bish. Oh, hi. Hey, little dude. Okay, I'm gonna talk to your campers. They're rude. Hi. Howdy, hey, little man. Like and comment. Mr. Lonely. How do I do that? Okay, I want to talk to you. I know you. No. I want to There's my camper, bitch. Okay, position, position, position. Okay, best friends. I said best friends. Dang, it won't let me do anything. Hi, bitch. Hi, bitch. You just met up with Lavender. What do you want to do? What would you like to do? Sorry. Give kudos. Why does she look angry? She hates me. I'll leave it here, bitch. You hate me to go. I'm gonna go. Nook and crannies. I wanna go to me. I could drive. Okay, let me go back, please. Exit. Yes! My freaking birds in the frickin' yard. Lavender's campsite. Oh my god, oh my god. Boy, don't do it, please. Yes, please. I want to talk to your frickin' campers, but no one loves me. Go saltwater shores. Hi, I'm fishing. It says go to saltwater shores, but I like this water because it gives me pale chub. No. Sea salt what? Wait, go to where? Go to where? Go to where? Sea salt. Said sea salt. Give me back my freaking furniture. Stop, no. I will snatch you, bitch. Oh, look, I got another killer fish. I want to go over here. I gotta shake your grapes. And I gotta take them all. I'm gonna take all your fruit, bitch. Bitches, I'm gonna take your fruit. I'm gonna sit down and have some tea. Nom nom. Can I have some freaking tea, bitch? Oh, look, there's a big, nasty one. Nom. Get him. Yeah. Yeah, I caught blackbirds. Alright, black ass. Get him. I got him, bitch. Wait, no, it's a killer fish. I got the bitch as a killer fish. I bet you one day my singing is gonna be like a meme. Like, oh, please. No, it's Kanye. Yeah, he got a Mustang. And we'll get him away, 'cause he's Kanye. No, frick. I gotta sleep in your hammock, bitch. No, let me. Look at this bitch face every time I go around. Oh, hi, Foxy. Oh, I wanna visit you. Campsite. I want to visit you. Go to work. So nice. And yes, I can do that voice like, oh, boy, you want to play for? Do I even want to sleep on your friendship thing? No, let me in. I don't deserve to be hitting what? What the frick? Boom, Rebecca. I can buy Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca. I stole your squid. Bitch. Hey, bitch. Get over here. Hi. She gave me kudos. Dang, bitch. Bitch. Bitch, you're a freaking snitch. Snitch, bitch, snitch. Snitch, bitch. Bitch, snitch, bitch. Bitch, snitch. Bitch. I don't give a. There's a place downtown where the merry go and to the unknown. Wait, I wanna go back to like a place. No, I don't wanna go. Free tryout. I go to a club. Next. Pay up the available with this player and you can assign camp caretaker to help around the campsite. Mark together with your favorite animal. You can choose your favorite animal to be your camp caretaker. They'll help you with quests and events. You're a camp caretaker to fulfill quests and help out during events. They'll get event items. Dang, bitch. They saying, oh yes, I'll do this, bitch. Okay, I'm gonna go to you, bitch. Oh yes. All you wanna do is run your life. If you guys think I'm a good singer, there's a bug. Tap to catch it. I don't wanna freaking catch it. Yum. I caught you, bitch. Caught you, bitch. Red-handedly. Tap. Yeah, bitch. Fruit beetle, bitch. Honey? Honey, I'm home. Let's do it. Frick. Wait, what is she doing? Bitch. Oh my god, bitch. I never seen anything like that before. Oh my god, my voice sounds like... I don't freaking know. I don't freaking know what it is. But I like it. Just to try it. Gimme. No, shut the frick up. I'm just trying to grab my tikis. Tiki. I'm just gonna destroy this island one bug at a time. Frick, you trying to steal my hairstyle, bitch? Bitch, I hope you're proud of me, bitch. I wanna catch you. Nothing. No, shut the frick up. I'm gonna go look for butterflies and... Snatch, bitch. No, snatch. I wanna snatch you. Snatch. I snatched you, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Come on, bitch. Come at me, bitch. I'm sorry, I'm saying too many no words. No word is a no word. No word, no. I wanna go into the snatch. Where's your butterflies, bitch? I want your freak. I hope you're proud of me. Bitch. Whoa. Well, bitch, this is a bitch. Yeah, you're pretty good, son. I'm looking for like stuff. Yes. Bitch, I hope you're proud of me. I don't give a fuck. There's a place downtown where everybody goes, and today I know. Bitch snitch. You bitchity snitch, you bitch. Oh, hurry. No, you bitch. Stop. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. No. I don't give a bitch, I hope you're proud of me, bitch, cause I hate your freaking shit. Hey. I'm supposed to, like, approach you and tell you you're young. Like, when I see you, like, one in my area. Step. No. You meanie bitchy. Yeah, this is how I approach slow. No, stop, bitch. Hi, anyone here? Okay, bitch, is anyone here? Bitch. You're such a snitch. Bitch. I caught that bitch snitch. Hey guys, I hope you're proud of me, bitch. Bitch, snitch you, bitch. Frisky. What's the latest? No, shut up. I don't want to do anything. Let's go. Shh. Never mind, that bitch is stealing my freaking hairstyle. I need to get her. Yeah. Can I whack you with this net? I don't want to do anything. Like, seriously, don't want to do anything with that bitch, because she's a freaking snitch. I'm sorry, I'm saying too many. No. Don't report me. Please, this is the only feeling that I have. Yes. I got that bitch. I will say no more, no words, okay? No more. Yes, you know, I'm not up, but you. Yes. I got it. Dung beetle. Those are harmful, girl. Don't put them in your freaking pocket. Into the unknown. I hope you're proud of me, bitch. Muffin! I have no snacks! I'm gonna die out here, guys! Okay, sorry, guys. That's enough for this frickin' video. Yes, you know, I'm not up, but you know I like to lie about. And this I lie about is bull. Okay, guys. That's all for the video today. So, alright, guys, that's all for this video today. And I'll see you next one. Bye, guys.